Hello homeowners, your ELECTROLUX laundry center is making noise and it's coming from the dryer, and this appliance is pretty old. Now you're asking yourself what may be the issue and it's worth fixing? In this video I'm going to answer these two questions. Let's go. Hey, I'm Garrick. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary, and on my YouTube channel you can find the answers to all of the kinds of home appliance questions. Please subscribe and let's move on to our ELECTROLUX laundry center. So you have probably started noticing some time ago that the dryer in your laundry center is making noise. What can be the issue? The design of these kind of stackable washers and dryers is very simple, and I can tell you right away that the troublemaker is the rear bearing.
So, looking for any kind of wear on the bearing. It should be round, and as you can see, this one is quite flat on the edge of it.
It just burned out over the time. Even if you're gentle with your dryer and not overloading that, the rear bearing will not last forever. Now you're asking yourself, this stackable washer and dryer is more than 15 or even 20 years old. By the way, this one we have just repaired a couple of weeks ago and it's 17 years old. From my experience, those laundry centers are hugely reliable. If the rear bearing is broken, then it takes us less than an hour to replace it, and you should be good to go for another 5 to 10 years. For example, this client paid us 289 Canadian dollars, including diagnostics, labor, and the parts. If you think of buying a new laundry center, you're probably looking somewhere in between of $700 and $1,500. Of course, for $700, $800, $900, you won't get a really good quality. It's going to be a basic model with the less settings and less reliable materials. The average cost of the laundry center, I would say around $1,300 to $1,600. So my advice, go ahead and fix it. When you have a problem with the rear bearing, which is obviously the main issue why your dryer is noisy, we replace it, of course. Along with the housing, we grease it up, we replace the pulley, we replace the front bearing felt, and we are trying to replace as many parts as possible so you won't call us back in the next couple of years with the same issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.